MCQ circles, have you done? How are your exams is going on? But then also you're doing. Others? What about other students? Few of them have not single time also you have not submitted. Single time also submission is not going on. Why? Aditya, only one homework. Adrika, only one homework you have done.
Ma'am, I'm not able to submit it in the.
You have to do unsubmit the given assignment and then submit again. Both
Okay,
will be
ma'am.
seen at that time.
Okay, ma'am.
First, when you see your work, then unsubmit and then again submit your file.
Okay, ma'am. After the
So it
class,
will
I'll do
come,
it.
both of them will
Okay,
come.
ma'am.
Now it is 3 files, 8.2, all the questions and MCQs also.
Okay, ma'am. After the class, I'll submit.
10.2, sorry. It's not 8.2, it's 10.2. All the questions, all 51 questions of this one should be there. 51 questions of RD circles. Everything should be seen there. We have solved most of the question here also, but everything you have to take the pictures and upload there. And MCQs. If you're not able, you have to, earlier you have submitted, make it unsubmit and then submit again. So you can see all the files. Amina, not even a single time submitted the homework. Dikshita, Trishtit, Manisha. Manisha, you were, is there? You're earlier so
Yes,
prompt
ma'am.
and quick.
Ma'am,
Earlier you was
I sent it, ma'am. Ma'am,
in this one,
ma'am,
in
can you hear
Google
me?
Classroom. Yes, I can hear you. In Google Classroom.
Ma'am, actually, I first uploaded that, then I was uploading the second one, so I was not able to, so I deleted the first one. Now I am uploading the second one also.
Yeah. Whenever you see one is uploaded, you have handed in, after that again unsubmit it. It will not go anywhere. Unsubmit it and again submit the new file, attach the new file. You can do the same thing. All the files you can see at the same position.
Ma'am, I uploaded all the 51 questions.
Okay. And then this one also. Yours MCQs also.
Okay, ma'am.
Revati, Harshit, Karthik. Where are your homework? Karthik, are you there? Gone. And everyone has submitted only, the remaining students also submitted only one time. Everything should be submitted. All 51 questions plus MCQs. Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
your homework?
Ma'am, I'll definitely put after class, ma'am.
You have not joined also. That means you have not given any papers or
No,
tests.
ma'am, I have joined.
With which name?
Ma'am,
Siti,
1 second, it's there.
Shrika with a different name. In homework, I can't see you. In maths group. Maths, you are not there. Everyone get the compass? Pencil, scale. Get it? Rishika, you are not there in both maths and science. Everyone, you have you
Yes,
got the swing compass?
Yes, ma'am.
Scale, protractor is not needed. Okay, we are doing the construction of tangents. Construction of tangent. Three types of constructions are there. First one is drawing tangents. From a point on a circle. We have to draw a tangent from the point on the circle itself. Any point on the circle, we have to draw the tangent. So for this, you have to draw the circle of 3 centimeter. Draw a circle with radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Take a point on circumference and draw tangent from that point. Okay. So you have to draw the tangent of the given radius for circle with given radius. Okay, you draw. This is the center. Join this center and any point on the circle. Suppose it is P. Now at this point P, we have to draw the tangent. We know that this is the point of contact P and this is a radius. So tangent will be perpendicular. So we have to do the perpendicular construction here. So we have to extend this line. Keep the compass point at this position. Draw the semicircle. From here with the same radius, cut an arc. Keep the compass point here, same radius, cut an arc. This is 60 and this is 120 degrees. Now cut the arcs equally from both these points here and then join this point and this point. So you have to join these 2 points connecting the straight line. So this is your required tangent. Clear? 90-degree construction you can do, right? So do it. Completed. Second one, drawing two tangents from an external point. Drawing two tangents from an external point. In this one, you have to write this one. We'll take circle with radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Point P is at 8 centimeter from center. Draw tangent from P to circle. Okay. In this case, we have to draw the circle of given radius first. Now from this is the center O. From this point P is at 8 centimeter. So draw OP of 8 centimeter distance with the pencil scale you have to do. Now after that, what we have to do is we have to take a perpendicular bisector. Now how to draw two tangents? First concept, learn the concept why we are doing that one, and then you will get to know. This is a circle. We have to draw tangents from this, right? At this point P. This is A and this is B. This is OP. This is 90 degree. Now we have to draw a line AP from point P such that OA is perpendicular to AP. How can we draw this? We have to find out point A on the circle such that that O to A will be perpendicular to that line. How can we draw? This is our line that we know, and at this point somewhere here, anywhere, we have to find out one line, one point we have to find out such that when we join these two, we will get 90 degree. So how to find out this point? Any idea?
Now, first we have to make the perpendicular of the circle, and then from that point we have to construct the another circle.
Why?
So where the two circles meet.
No, why that one? No, I'm asking here simple. Here I'm not asking because you will understand only when if you know this part. Because the question is why. I'm telling you the construction you have to do like this. The question will arise why this is exactly, why we need to do that one. So I'm telling you the concept and then I will come back to this point. So I need a line. I have a line. This line I have, and I have to find out this point such that when we join those 2 points with the extreme points of these lines, this angle will come 90. When is this possible?
Ma'am, when that line is the diameter of the circle.
Exactly. Very good. So this is possible when we take OP as a diameter of the circle, and when we draw the circle, and if we take any point on this, anywhere, if you take a point and join this point and this point, it will be 90 degrees. Clear? Now what happened, this point, this is the thing, 90 degree, clear now? Now I need this point. So here see, point A, this point A is 90 degree. So OP should be the diameter of the circle, new circle, not the earlier circle. This is the diameter. So that means the line should pass this way. We have to draw the circle like this. Now this circle, A is present on this circle also and this circle also. That means point A is where exactly? Intersection of those two circles. Clear? intersection of these two circles, the point A should lie. Because A should be present on this circle also to make this angle OAP 90. And as well as this point is the point of contact present on the original circle. So therefore, two circles' point of contact is point A. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have to do now, that's this part, now we have to use it here. So what we have to do, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Take a compass, keep at O, take more than half distance, cut an arc, bottom also, keep the same compass point here, draw these arcs, intersect these arcs, then join these arcs. This point of intersection is this is point C, center of the new circle. C is the center, CP is the radius in the compass, and draw the circle passing through O and P. Now this circle intersect at this point and at this point. So this is point A and this is point B. And then join AP. And BP. So P and PB are the two tangents. Clear? write the steps of construction also. Completed? Open the textbook. Or let me open. I will open it. You have only second exercise. First exercise gone. Do the first, second, third. Fourth one is a third type of question. I will explain that.
Ma'am, should we write steps of construction for the first 3 questions?
No.
Okay.
In exam, you have to write.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Any problem? Second one, done. What happened, Medha? Second one, draw concentric circle. Concentric circle with same center with radius 4 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter. So outer circle, take any point P. That will be the point P. And then from that point, draw the tangent. So join OP. Draw the third circle, which is passing through O and P. And wherever it intersect the small circle, those are points A and B.
Ma'am, can you explain again how to do the second question?
Have you drawn two concentric circles of 4 and 6 centimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the inner 4 centimeter. And this is the outer 6 centimeter. So take anywhere point P. So this is point P. Join OP. Draw perpendicular bisector. This is point C. Draw the circle. So wherever it intersect the inner circle, that is point A, and this is point B. Then join PA and join PB. So these are the required. Instead of giving the P's direct distance, they have told P is on the second circle, outer circle. Done 3 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the 4th question. Fourth question, what they have told. Everyone completed 3 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this one, drawing 4th one, they have given the radius, but the outer circle, sorry, the point P's distance from the center is not given. Position of P from O is not given. Instead, what they have given, these two tangents are inclined at 60 degree. So that means angle P they have given as 60. Angle APB is given 60. We don't know how much distance P is from O, that we don't know. So for this we have to use the property known to us, join OB and join OA. So what is this angle? How much is this angle? AOB is
120.
120 degrees because these two are supplementary angle by angle sum property. So instead of drawing this part, we have to draw this part. Join BO, so draw a circle, then take any radius, OA distance, this is the point OA. Now at this point, draw 120-degree construction. So this is 60, this is 120, so join this. So this is point B. Now A is on the circle, B is on the circle. So from these 2 points, we have to draw tangents. That is the first construction. You have done the first type of a construction here, this part. At this point, you have to draw the tangent. So at this point, we have to draw the perpendiculars. So the same thing from point A and B. From point A, draw the half circle, 90-degree construction, join this, passing through A and this point of intersection. Again here also semicircle, 90 construction, 90-degree construction, and then join this point and this point. And then they will intersect somewhere. So wherever they intersect, that is point P. And this is, we have taken 120 degree. So this is automatically 60 degree. You will get it if you measure with the protractor. Able to understand? So
Yes,
first, what you have to do, draw the circle, draw anywhere one radius. At that radius, 120 construction. Then draw another circle with another radius with 120 degrees. And then at the end points of those two radii from the circle, draw two tangents by making 90 degrees. Meta done? Show me. Where you have gone? Let me lunch. 90-degree construction you have done? At A and point B? Show me again, first again. There's a light is coming. 120-degree construction, is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Should I send
Okay,
you
okay,
a
okay. No,
picture?
no, okay, I got it. Got it. Okay. Others who have completed? Then continue. May the next fifth one. Anish, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Where are you? Well, yeah. Wait. Show me. Yes, right. Measure that 60 degrees. Other students, video off. Manisha. Yes, Manisha, exactly. So at the end, you have to write P and PB are required tangents. Yes, right, Manisha? Jayant? Yes. Angle O, may write it as 120 degrees. Angle P, 60 degree. Mention there. Point B also you have to mention. Devani done? Show me. Yes, right. Very good. Rohit Krishna. This question is asked for 4 marks. No, Rohit, where you have done that 90-degree construction. 90-degree construction you have done outside at point B, C. B is this construction. Near point B, 90 degree has gone outside the circle. A is right. Understood? Gautam, Jessica, Roshita. Yes, Roshita, completed?
Yes,
Show me.
ma'am.
Show me. Is right here. Angle O mark 120. Angle P mark 60. Draw right radius 3 centimeter. Jessica, 1 second. 90, 60, this one. Yes, right, Jessica. Mark only O, point O and OA, right, 3 centimeter. What they again 5 centimeter, sorry. Right, Jessica? Only marking left out. Rohit, have you got your mistake? Rohit
Ma'am, I
Krishna.
lost my connection. Can you repeat it again?
At point B, tangent is outside circle you have shown. Again, lost
Ma'am,
connection.
I lost my connection.
Yeah. At point B, able to hear me? Yes, Janvi, right. Points, mention points A, B, OP, O to A distance. You have to mark on this construction. Abhijit, Gautam, Kritika, Tanushri. Who is showing? One second, Gautam. Where has it gone? Gautam gone somewhere. Yes, Rohit. Take it to the left. Right, right, right. Yes, right. Where did yeah, your right hand side? Is that your right hand side? Rohit B. Yeah. Move. One side, one more side. Yes, 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 yes. Right. It is not 3 centimeter. OA is 5 centimeter. Then who is showing? Gautam, can you show again? 120, 60. This is right. Yes, right. Then continue the sixth one. Who left out? Abhijit, Sharad, Ardrika. Yes, Amina. One second. Yes, right, Amina. It's proper. Bhavya, one second. Come closer. Bring this one closer. Yes, right. Very good.
Ma'am, mine?
Yes, one second. Ardrika is showing. One by one. Ardrika, is that 5 centimeter radius circle? I think so. You have taken 3 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am, I have taken 3 centimeters.
Then write it there 3. Don't write 5. Yes, Samrida. Yes, right. All the dimensions are right. Janet.
No.
Yes. Right. Right OA by 5 centimeter. Rohit Krishna, show me again if you have corrected. Now it is perfect. No. A is wrong. A is not 90 degree. Angle A is not 90.
Ma'am, it's 90, ma'am.
Oh no.
I checked it.
You checked it? How it is? Show me again. Angle A. It's not looking 90. No, it cannot be 90. Check again. Kritika. Yes, right. 90 is coming. Rohit, 90?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then fine. Aditya. Continue the fifth one. Others. Manisha, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Your construction. Aditya, which one? Manisha shown?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot. Yes, Aditya, what happened? The below lower one. Okay. Yes, right. Abhijit, you left out. Mayukha, Dikshita, Astitv, Tanushri, Karthik. Where are you people? How to do the fifth one? Draw first AB. At point A, draw circle. At point B, draw the circle of given radius. Now perpendicular of AB. That is point center of the third circle. So that point take as O. Take OA as a radius. Draw the another circle passing through A and B both. Now that third circle intersects the first two circles at 4 points P, Q, R, S. Then from opposite center, join the opposite side circles' tangents. So first AB, one circle at this center, another circle at this center, perpendicular bisector, circle passing through A and B. Mine is oval, it's not circle. So it touches at this points. So this is A, this is B, this is P, Q, R, S. So join P to B. From B we have to draw the tangent. So therefore join P to B and Q to B, as well as A to R and A to S. So required tangents.
Done, ma'am.
Then sixth one. In that first, draw the triangle ABC. Done. Fifth, everyone finished? Sixth one, first draw the triangle. ABC. In this one, ABC, right triangle. AB, BC known. So draw BC. 8 centimeter. 90 degree. Cut arc of 6 centimeter. AB, join AC. This is 90 degree. Now we have to draw BD. So this is a right angle. A, B, C. You have to draw the line BD perpendicular to AC. And you have to draw the circle passing through B, C, and D. How is possible? This is possible only when B and C are BC forms the diameter. So to make the BC diameter, what we have to do, center will be on BC. So we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. This is point O. Draw the circle with OB radius passing through B and C. So it will intersect circle at this point. This is point D. Then if you join BD, then BDC will be 90 degrees. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to draw the tangent from A to this circle. Already you know that is O is the center, OB is a radius, and AB is 90 degree to that radius. OB is perpendicular to AB. That is because angle B is 90. That means AB is already one of the tangent. Now you have to draw second tangent, and you know that is tangents are equal in length. So distance from A to B will be that is the same distance as the second tangent. So keep the compass at A, measure the distance as B, AB, and then cut an arc here to circle. This is point P, and then join AP. So this is the AP and AB are the required tangents. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Whoever
ma'am.
completed, they can leave. And all your homework should be uploaded faster, quicker, of that circles chapter. So 51 questions of exercise and MCQs. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And tomorrow class will be there at
Sunday is a
2.
trigonometry test.
Sunday is trigonometry test, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday
Ma'am,
which
the
test
full
I told? Yeah, full chapter. Complementary angle will not be there.
Okay.
Okay. Saturday which test I told?